right, here we are. All right, welcome back to the tavern and a day at the range. This has been a fun-filled day at the range. I'll show the footage after this bit here, but we've already done our shooting. I forgot to do an intro before we started shooting. We've got set up for the range, shooting some targets. Me and my boy, shooting a battleship with the 22, and this time he actually beat me. I can't believe he beat me, and he sunk my battleship of all things. At any rate, it was a fun day at the range. We went through a fair amount of 9mm ammunition. Using my new 9mm, little beauty, nice little toy here. It's a Beretta, nice Beretta, 9mm, nice one. And of course the 30-30, getting some action in on that since it didn't actually get to shoot at any real deer this year. But it was definitely one nice day at the range. It's a little chilly out and hands are numb most of the time. But I'm going to have to make sure I throw some hand warmers in the truck so that when we come out again next time we can do that. We didn't shoot the 22. I shot the 22 pistol a little. Didn't shoot the 22 revolver today, but we did pull it out. So all in all, it was a good day at the range and it was lots of fun. So, join me here on the tavern for all kinds of cool stuff. There's some changes coming to the tavern, and be sure you tune in for the videos. You'll notice this video should be of a much higher quality than any of the other videos, and I'll let you all know about how that has been accomplished real soon. All right, that's all we got. Take care. Bye-bye.
When you're stuck in a groove and your rhythm's gone, you've got to move, gotta move on. When it's hard to smile and the laughter's gone, don't you wait a while, 'cause it's the same old song. You've got to open your mouth and let the words fall out. till you do. It ain't easy to do what needs to be done.
Let the kidlet shoot. Which one are you going to shoot?
Bottom right.
Bottom right. All right, kidlet's going to shoot bottom right. He's going to shoot 4 shots for us. Whoop. There you go. Whoop. That's it. Okay. You actually hit the target frame there once.